Guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, speed cameras, their removal or let them at their place now, or even to expand the program, this topic is now being discussed a lot. So related to this topic, I'm gonna share my opinion whether we should have them or whether we should not have them. So guys, in my opinion, definitely we should have them. I mean, the best way someone can avoid the fine is to follow the speed limit, and following speed limits is the law, and anyone who is not following the speed limit is actually breaking the law. So I find no reason why we should take them off. People call it crash grab, maybe because probably it is generating a lot of revenue for the cities because people are actually breaking the law. But if people adjust their behavior in these zones and adapt themselves to the posted speed limits, then that fine collection would be zero. If everyone follows the speed limit, there won't be any overspeeding and camera ticketing, so it will be zero, and I think it will be a good deterrent, especially for bad drivers, because a lot of time these roads are used by kids, women carrying stroller, parents carrying their kids, and so many times. So I don't think overspeeding helps anyone. So this is what my opinion is, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel.